Hi everyone, welcome to 2 abandoned restaurants here in Springfield, Ohio. Let's check them out on today's episode of Urbex. All right, so this restaurant used to be Bay Breeze Seafood Restaurant. And if I pan around here, it was apparently last the Village Restaurant. But before all of that, it was a Ryan's Buffet. And I love Ryan's Buffet. They are awesome. But pretty much all of them are gone. I mean, they used to be they're, a Golden Corral competitor. And they went under a bunch of different names like Hometown Buffet and Old Country Buffet and Ryan's. And then we have a Tumbleweed that is next door to this restaurant. We're going to check out both of those. What? Can't see inside any of the windows because all the blinds are down. Oh wait, no, yeah, you can. Right there. It's so dirty though. There we go. That's a little bit better. Trying to get you a good shot. Aha, there we go. This is nautical themed inside. So I'm thinking that they didn't change the decor from when it was a seafood place, because I don't think the last restaurant it was seafood themed. This is a really confusing restaurant. Oh, well, they were around long enough to be on Grubhub. Strange and weird. What? Yeah, that is such a nice sign for this place. I really like that. I love how they did that. Let's see if we can... This door doesn't even have a handle on it. What the what? Let's see if we can see anything inside. Oh yeah, you can see it's kind of sea themed, ocean themed, whatever, nautical. That's what I was getting after. It's nautical. So obviously this was the seafood restaurant and then became the Village Restaurant, but they didn't change any of the decor. Maybe that's why this place failed, because how do you have, by looking at the sign, a farm country cooking restaurant that's nautical themed? That is weird. So there's your Tumbleweed over there.
Deplorable.
And this is what?
Deplorable.
Yeah, okay.
Deplorable.
Let's see if we can get a look in one of these. Yeah, there you can see some of the chairs. Those are nice chairs, also nautical themed. All right, now over at the Tumbleweed, you can see, wow, this parking lot is super overgrown. Holy crap, how long has this place been abandoned? Oh my gosh, we have a hamster ball. Sam's Club. That's a big Sam's Club box. There's a hamster ball. That is so random. And then we have the Tumbleweed. They tried to cover up the sign and the weather was like, nope, not today. So you can clearly see it. This must have been abandoned for a long time. Wow. What?
I'm saying, I'm with you.
Oh.
Don't to the
I know, you can't get in. It's
on trying to.
Wow, there is the inside of the tumbleweed. That is still pretty nice looking, actually. Wow, this place is pretty big inside. That is cool. I love that fireplace. That's really nice. Yeah, look at that. That's pretty cool inside. I would have loved to eat at this tumbleweed. Completely different from all the other ones that I've been in.
About fine, just generic.
Yeah, this is kind of unique inside.
I like that.
Come all the way to Springfield and I wanted some spicy nachos or chips and salsa. Anything Southwest, anything Mexican. But you know what? Look at the weeds. We're not getting any Mexican food here. We're not getting any Texas anything. We're not getting anything. So stupid. Can I just get some freaking food after walking around the mall for like an hour? Filming content for all you guys. I am hungry. And I had to drive a whole hour to get here. Before that, well, I think we're going to move on and hopefully find some food in this freaking town. Want to see your name here? Head on over to patreon.com/tiltedtripodmedia and become a member today and gain access to all of my secret content as well as other member exclusive perks. And thank you for supporting the future of video. Have you seen the Tilted Tripod Media Etsy store? Well, if you haven't, what are you waiting for? Head on over there right now. You'll find all kinds of great merchandise relating to everything here on my channel and so much more. This includes t-shirts, mugs, hats, masks, and so much more, all relating to the topics I cover here on this channel. I've even made a special limited edition shirt dedicated to the Upper Valley Mall, so check it out today. There's a link in the description box below. Well, I didn't do too well with my first two restaurants I tried to go eat at. That was a complete fail. But today's turning out to be absolutely awesome. Right now I'm in, if you want to pronounce this, Bellefontaine or Bellefontaine, because some people call it that. I prefer Bellefontaine because Bellefontaine sounds kind of stupid. But anyways, today we are scoring big because look what has returned to Ohio. We used to have Del Taco in the Toledo area. They closed for whatever mysterious reason, and now they decided to open back up in this little town in the middle of nowhere, far away from civilization. What a dumb idea. I had to drive 2 hours to get here to get me some tacos. Stupid. And I know you're saying, just go to freaking Taco Bell. No, Del Taco is so much better than Taco Bell. If you haven't had the Del Taco, then you are missing out, and I'm sure that this wind is ruining my video. I don't like it. Let's go eat some Del Taco. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba, Del Taco. Yeah! Oh. Wow, you guys, we are really scoring big today. Even the dining room is open. Look at that, big signs welcoming us inside a fast food establishment. This is incredible because I don't think I've been inside a fast food restaurant since the pandemic. What?
The pandemic. It was a plan.
Well, of course it was a plan, but this is a plan to reopen the dining room here, and they're going to get my business. All right, so the cool thing about Del Tacos are the fact that you can get not only tacos and Mexican items, but they have things like chicken nuggets, chicken fingers, fries. They have all kinds of things that you're going, what? This is stuff that should not be at a taco place or a Mexican restaurant, but it is. Oh, Del Taco, and you see what I mean? What in the crap are fries doing at a taco place? That is blasphemy. It's evil. But they're here, so if you want some fries, and they're pretty good for a taco place, but OMG, look at what I have. Finally, we're getting some food, and they made it correct. They got it correct. No lettuce, no tomatoes, none of that garbage. Ooh, yeah. Taco Bell. No, screw Taco Bell. Ugh, Taco Bell. I do like Taco Bell, but screw Taco Bell. Now this is a taco. Oh, yeah. Mmm. Mmm. Oh, yeah. Mmm. This is bringing back some Detroit memories. We had them there. We had them in Dallas when I lived there for 2 years. None by Cincinnati. Shame, shame, shame. It's time for food. Bye-bye. Thanks for joining me here as we took a look at these 2 abandoned restaurants here in Springfield, Ohio. If you like this content, then give the video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel along and helps with the YouTube algorithms and gets my videos viewed by more people like you. As always, don't forget to subscribe and smash that bell icon to get notified about future uploads here on this channel and all of my others. Thank you, everyone, and I'll see you in the next episode.